Good day, guys. What a beautiful morning. Whoop, whoop. So what you're seeing, guys, looks like an ordinary chicken, but it's not. It's a crossbreed of Bantam, a small species of chickens. We call that in local Bantam. And the father of this chicken is a adult Rhode Island. I really can't comprehend, guys, how the small hen managed to lay an eggs, because the father is I can say 10 times larger than the hen. And look at the result, guys. Supposedly the color of normal Rhode Island would be maroon, red, something like that, but this one is different. The color is golden, black, and brown. It's really different, guys. Because what happened is we just, you know, um, we don't cage our chickens. We just, let them go outside so that they can hunt for food. Look at it, guys. It's so magnificent.